Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from HubSpot to the ProveSource service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from HubSpot to other systems. For example, in ProveSource you can add new webhook data, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the HubSpot data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next, you need to connect your HubSpot account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the API key. In order to get it, go to the HubSpot personal account. Then go to Settings. Now go to the Integrations section API key. Click Show to see the API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. There are no additional settings for the HubSpot system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the HubSpot data source setup. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select ProveSource as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send data. At this point you need to connect your ProveSource account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the URL to which the data will be sent. In order to get it, go to the ProveSource personal account. Then you need to create a new notification. Select Stream. Webhook Service. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. Back to ProveSource and finish setting up new notification. Enter the website address, for example, apixdrive.com. After the new notification is created and enabled, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, we need to choose the type of data sending. Post JSON. Now we need to fill in the values. In the name field we need to write the name of the variable manually. In the value field, we need to select a variable from HubSpot, which we will pass under this value. In order for another set of variables to appear, click Add. When all the required values are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ProveSource via webhook for each new contact from HubSpot. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ProveSource. After successful sending, go to ProveSource and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of ProveSource data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.